I'm Divya, or you may know me by my handle Gone with the Vim. I'm a non-award-winning photographer. Awards are overrated anyway. I'm also an esteemed travel writer. That is, I write about my travels on Instagram, Facebook, and my blog. And at least 3 of my friends read my blog. So today, I'm super excited to be starting a new food series or food show called FARM to THALI. A thali in India or South Asia is like a plate where the kitchen decides what goes in the plate that day. So as a part of this series, I'll be talking to different people from South Asia or different people of South Asian roots, where we'll be talking about all things food indigenous to their part of the world. I grew up in a town called Chennai in the south of India. What I love about the part of the world that I'm from, or even the Indian subcontinent, is that you go 100 kilometers or even the next street, it sometimes can be a completely new world. People speak different languages, people dress differently, people follow different traditions, cultures, and religions. People even swear differently. And nothing reflects this diversity like the food we eat. Actually, there are a lot of things that reflect this diversity, but let's just focus on the food here, okay? People say, I love Indian food, I love curry, but that's like saying all dogs are the same. But a Chihuahua is quite nothing like a Rajapalayam. Indian food is generally used as an umbrella term to refer to many different cuisines, not only within India, but also the countries around India. Our collective history dates to over 5,000 years ago. And you throw in British colonization, throw in different conquests, people have been migrating within the countries for years by force or by choice. Each region, if you think about it, has its own cuisine. Each family has their own claim to fame dishes. Like my mom makes an amazing Nellika Tokku. My mother-in-law makes delicious aloo parathas. In the kingdom of Bhutan, they drink the yak butter tea. In the northeast of India, they ferment their food and they cook their food with bamboos. In South Africa, you can find something called bunny chow. So safe to say, there are many different cuisines and there are also many different styles of cooking. As the landscape and the region vary, so do the ingredients, so do the spices, herbs. As a part of this series, that's what I hope to unpack. I hope to showcase the diversity of all these different cuisines, and I thought it'd be a great idea to hear and learn from people who've grown up eating these foods and cook them even today. So I'm super excited to share this series with you. Stay tuned and let me know your thoughts, only good ones, in the comments below. Ciao!